Hi folks, we're back again. We're on the greys again, and it's Doug with his 22LR and me with the HW100 in 177. Hope you enjoy. Many thanks. Alright buddy. Doug up first, and that 22 don't take any prisoners. My little 177 can do the same job.
Oh, that sounded good. Yeah, polarized.
Game over.
Game over, mate.
Here he comes. He's dark, isn't he?
Yeah, he is dark. He's still coming? I can't
He's
fucking...
going around the back again. There he is.
Where's two? I can see the little fucker.
He's on the right hand side of the feeder, mate. There he's on the lid.
There he is. Down and out, is he?
Yeah. These QYS pellets, they certainly hit them hard.
That's my headshot, mate.
Mm. Now someone.
Good shot, mate.
Alright, mate. Yes, this is stone dead. The jumping about you see is known as disinhibition. It's literally the nervous system shutting down. You're just running out of steam. It feels no pain. It is totally dead. Now this one, give me the runaround for over 10 minutes. I won't bore you in watching all of it, but I'll just show you the beginning and how it ended.
Where? Oh, yeah. Get on the feeder, you silly little fucker. What's he trying to do?
So eventually he comes to the feeder and says, "Thank you very much, but I'm not having any of this." And there he was gone. Well, after that long wait and a disastrous end, I decided to pack up after shooting 6. Yes, I know you've only seen 5. I forgot to press record on one of them. And move to another feeder. Whereas I found this one sat waiting for me. But would he turn round? Would he echoes like? No matter how I tried, he was having none of it. And as I was shooting from the car, I just drove along the lane a little bit further, took my chance. I'll leave you watch this play out. Turn your head, you bugger. He's certainly liking them sunflower seeds. He's hardly coming up for air. This bugger's daffer than I am. When you watch how often he's tipping his head into that feeder, it's no wonder it costs us a fortune in feeding him. Patience is a virtue, or so I'm told, that is.
So,
Well, this is the last one for the day before I head home. I appreciate you staying with me, folks. I hope you enjoyed, and maybe if you haven't subscribed already, maybe you consider doing that. It costs nothing but a click of the button. Many thanks, stay safe, I'll see you soon.